Hi, everyone. It's Tiffany. I traded AAL this morning, and it was not on my list, but Andrew actually called it out. I believe he was in this trade a little bit earlier. But once he called it out, I pulled it up and I saw that it was having a hard time getting through this previous day high. And judging by this long wicks on the 5 minute, and then it came up here, and on the 1 minute, it kind of looks like a loose head and shoulders. And right here, it tried to push up through the this resistance level, came back down, and then it attempted a second time. And both times it attempted, it was on fairly high volume. So when it made a new 5 minute low and a new 1 minute low, I went short. My first partial was at the VWAP, and then it came back up and stopped me out. I typically do not take these types of reversals when they're this close to the VWAP. But and then it continued to go down for maybe for the rest of the day, but for a while. Every time I looked at it, I got kind of FOMO that I got out of this trade. But you got to stick to your rules. And then my other trades were on this BMRN. This was another stock that I heard Andrew talking about in the chat this morning, as how weak it was at the open. And I really liked the way it was setting up on the 15-minute chart. So the spread on this was pretty bad. So I did keep that in mind while trading it. And right after the first 15-minute candle closed, I thought it was ready to break down. And so I went short, and then I realized it was not ready. So I went ahead and exited my position and decided to wait and watch it for a better setup and a better confirmation. So when it came back up and it was testing this 9 moving average on the 15-minute, and then also on the 1 minute, it was coming up and testing the 50 moving average. I decided to go short for the breakout, and when it made the new 5-minute low and 1-minute low. And my stop loss was right above this 50 moving average. I took my partials at levels that I had marked from the daily. The ones where I have like 2 partials at each daily, it was because volume came in, and I thought that it could possibly be bouncing off of those levels. So I wanted to lock in a little bit more profit just in case it reversed. And then I kept waiting. Really, I kept waiting for it to come back and do a bigger pullback so I can add to my position, and it never did. It just really nicely came back up and was testing this 9 moving average constantly. And then before I knew it, I never added, and I ran out of shares. So, but overall, this was a great trade. I was in it for quite a long time today, but I'm satisfied with it. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.